Hello, I'm Janelle, a professional organizer and productivity enthusiast. Like a lot of you, I'm working from home right now, and being productive can be a real struggle. I've found that when I stick to a few simple steps, I'm able to stay focused and accomplish more. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to create a motivating work setup, regardless of where you are or what kind of space you have. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Location is key. Designate a reliable area for your workspace, preferably somewhere that gets you energized for the day. The environment you provide for yourself affects your mindset, so it's beneficial to have an area you associate with work-related tasks within your space. This will make it so you're ready to work when you are in that reserved spot. It doesn't need to be a separate office or even a desk, but it should be a place where you do all of your work consistently. If having a dedicated area isn't possible, that's totally fine. Just make sure to remove any unnecessary things from your work zone before setting up. If possible, steer clear of using your bed as a workspace. Doing other activities in your bed can actually disrupt your sleep cycle by associating the space with work. Tip 2. Make sure your workspace is set up with all your supplies. You want everything in one place to avoid the distraction of having to get up and go searching for the things you need. In addition to having all of your supplies, you might want to include a candle or something personal that can give you a feeling of peace in this space. Tip 3. Create a good old-fashioned to-do list. If you're like me, you thrive on structure. A to-do list keeps you accountable, on track, and focused on the things you need to accomplish. Tip 4. Embrace a routine. Carry on with your normal schedule or create a new one. Either way, incorporate structure within your day. Make breakfast, take a shower, act as if you're going to work, but instead, go to your new workstation. Having a routine will also tell you when it's time to clock out. Just because we're home doesn't mean we should be working around the clock. Tip 5. When you're having difficulty focusing, remove yourself from the situation and reset. It's okay to feel distracted. Embrace that, acknowledge its presence, and then allow yourself to step away for a few minutes to recalibrate. Taking a break to get some fresh air, stretching, or meditation may be exactly what you need to get back in the right mindset to focus. I hope you find these tips helpful. I'm Janelle Cohen. Thanks for joining me today. Bye!